Welcome back with a new math tutorial. In this video, we are talking about the factor and the multiple. At the first, what is the meaning of the factor? What is the meaning of the multiple? That's what we will know today. The factor that the two numbers that you multiply them to find the product. And the product is the required number. So for question number 1, we need to find the factor of each of the following. We need to find the factors of 4. What are the two numbers that if you multiply them, the answer will be equals 4? You will find that 4 is equal. Always we start with 1 multiplied by 4. 1 multiplied by the number itself. And also you can find that 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. There is no other two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer will be equals 4. So we can say the factors of 4 are 1, 4, and 2. Because we said 2, don't repeat this number again. Just write it one time. So 4 has 3 factors. 1, 4, and 2. If you multiply 1 and 4 or 2 and 2, you will find that the product equals 4. Now 6. I need the factor of 6. As we said before, always start with 1 multiplied by the same number. Now I need another two numbers. You will find that we have here 2 multiplied by 3 equals 6. There is no other two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer will be equal 6. So the factor of 6 are 1, 6, 2, and 3. So we have here 4 factors. Now the question number 3. You will find that we need the factors of 7. 7, as we said before, it will be 1 multiplied by 7. If you try to find any other two numbers, if you multiply them, the answer will be 7, you will not find. So the factor of 7 are 1 and 7 only. Again, for question number 14. As we said before, if you need to find the factor of any number, just start with 1 multiplied by the same number. Check if there is any other two numbers or not. You will find that we have 2 times 7. There is no other two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer will be equals 14. So the factors of 14 are 1, 14, 2, and 7. Now with 28. 28 is equals 1 multiplied by 28. And also it will be 2 times 14. You will find that it will be 4 times 7. There is no other two numbers. If you multiply them, the answer will be equals 28. It means the factors of 28 are 1, 28, 2, 14, 4, and 7. In question number 6, we need the factors of 30. 30, as we said before, I will start with 1 multiplied by 30. And also we have here 2 multiplied by 15. 3 multiplied by 10. And we have here 5 times 6. So we can say that the factors of 30 are 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. All of the solution that we have now depend on memorizing the timetable. So be careful memorizing the timetable. So the timetable is important for solving all of this type of questions. The second part of our lesson today, which is the multiple. What is the meaning of a multiple of a number? The multiple of any number, that the product that you can find when you multiply any whole number by this number. What is the meaning of that? In this question, we need to identify the first 5 multiples of a number. We need to find the first 5 multiples of 1. So we will start with multiplying. 1 times 0 equals 0. That would be the first product. The second product, which is 1 times 1 equals 1. The third product, 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. So the first 5 products of 1 are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again for 5. 0 times 5 equals 0. 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 220. So to start finding the first 5 multiple of a number, start with multiplying this number by 0. 5 times 0, 5 times 1, 5 times 2, until you find all of the required multiples. We need to find the multiple of 3. So as we follow the same, it will be 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 212. The same for 9. 9 times 0 equals 0. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. And that's how we can find the factors and the multiple of any number.